Alright, let's go check it out. Oh my goodness. Wow, so this is the car, guys. This is beautiful. Wow. Oh my God! Oh my God, guys! Wow, Diana, you deserve it, Diana. She worked so hard for this, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube
Johnny!
Galing ni Mama K, guys. So guys, off kami today. And for today's vlog, pupuntahan namin ngayon si Diana kasi bibili siya ng kanyang bagong car, guys. Brand new car. So, tutulungan namin siya mamili kung anong kulay at kung anong klaseng sasakyan yung gusto niya. So let's go, samahan niyo kami.
A few moments later.
We're here! Nandito na kami. So, bumalik na naman kami dito, guys, kasi nandito yung kaibigan ko. Natutulong kay Diana. Come on, Mama K. Anong bibiliin mo, Mama K? Ikaw ba yung bibili ng sasakyan, Mama K?
Ano ako? Mercedes Benz.
Wow, Mercedes-Benz. Wala pong Mercedes-Benz dito, madam. Toyota po dito, madam. Oo, Toyota lang, madam. Di yan natin ma-afford, madam.
Para lang.
Ikaw din yung bibili, Maki. Ano ka, mayaman ka, Maki? So, si Diana, guys, nandito na ata sa loob. So, tingnan natin. Sana nandito na siya. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be so exciting. Ano kaya yung mapili niya? So, ayun guys, pumasok kami kasi akala namin nandun na si Diana. Wala pa pala, guys. Medyo kami yung excited. Akala mo, no, kami yung bibili ng sasakyan. So, anyway guys, off kasi kami ngayon, kaya medyo maaga. Si Diana, girl, papunta na siya. May work kasi siya, kaya siguro na traffic lang. So, habang hinihintay namin si Diana. Mama Kay, gusto mo mag-shopping, Mama Kay? Maningin ng mga car, Mama Kay?
Oh, mag-shopping ni car.
Alright, let's go, guys. Samahan niyo kami.
Meanwhile,
Ito na si girl. Siya na to, guys. Siya na to, guys. Naka-red car. Oh my gosh, she's always late as always. May natutulog sa car.
a few inches later.
So, hi, Jimmy. This is Diana, my friend.
Nice to meet you.
Aba, talagang may camera pa. So, Jimmy, you will make it happen? Free car for today?
Bruh.
Brand new car?
You're about to get me in trouble. That's what I have to do. Do me a favor, follow me inside. I'm going to pull the car that we did on you around.
Oh my gosh, guys. So, approve na po si Diana, guys. Ganyan kagaling si Jimmy. So, for the best. So, let's go. Sign na muna namin yung mga utang dyan. Thank you, Jimmy. I don't have a $1 for tip.
Oh, really? You got something. Follow me.
Wow, guys. Meron silang clearance. Look at that. Meron din palang sale yung Mama K, oh. Mga cars, Mama K. Iwan ko, Mama K. Ano yung gusto mo dito? Saan? Mama K, nakahanap mo na yung gusto mo?
Wala pa.
Daming cars, Mama K. Pera lang yung wala, Mama K. Naganap si Madam. Madam, nainitan ka, Madam? Ito, Madam, gusto mo to? Yan. May pera ka na? Wala pa. Trabaho muna.
more moments later.
So yun guys, umalis muna si Jamie at kaming tatlo ay nagkakape.
It's like,
Yeah, galing kasi siya sa work guys. She's super tired. What, the coffee is? Hindi. Oh, maganda nga yung matamis lang. At least yung kape matamis. Hindi gaya ng love life mo. Maasim. Joke lang. Mama Kay, you like your coffee? You like? Galing talaga ni Maki. So, ayan guys, dito kami sa office ni Jimmy. Ito yung office niya. Ito lang, ito yung desk na to. Tapos ito yung ano guys, join for today para maging VIP value ka. 3,200 for VIP. So, hold on guys.
mahal ko 3,000.
Oh, Mama Kay, mamahalin talaga siya.
Magkano
So anyway
na-
guys, update namin kayo mamaya. Kasi pupunta kami sa labas to find the
May
car, the brand new car.
May 2,050 oh.
Why? What happened? So what's the good news?
Let's go check out the car.
Check out the car guys, let's go. This is so exciting. Jimmy, can I leave my coffee here? How about Mama Kay? Can I leave her? Si Mama Kay guys, in-ignore nila ito. Okay, let's go. Excited kami guys kasi puntahan namin yung car ni Diana. Diana, you don't want your coffee left? Okay.
You said you got
Oh, you can spill it on your new car. Oh, really? Wow, Jamie, thanks. Oh, I did not. Is that
I'm so sorry.
Jamie? Why you're so nice? Thank you for helping Diana.
my pleasure.
For helping us. All right, let's go check it out. Oh my goodness. Wow, so this is the car, guys. This is beautiful. Wow. So Jimmy, what kind of car is this?
This
2000?
is the Corolla SE,
Uh-huh.
which stands for Sport Edition. Comes standard with backup camera, Bluetooth capability. It's got Wi-Fi integrated in there.
Oh my gosh. 2021?
Yes.
Brand new.
Apple CarPlay, Android Auto,
Wow.
and tons of room in the back, of course. Over the floor mats.
Epic fail, no key. I'm firing you, man. What do you mean?
The key was all in the ignition.
I'm sorry, I'm a bad. I was just joking, guys. Wow, this is so cool.
Tons of room. Should you ever need more room, you can actually lower the seats. It will be your typical 60-40 split seats. Yeah. So there's a little lever right here.
Hindi kay color.
You pull, and then you lower the seat.
Wow. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, guys! Wow, Diana, you deserve it, Diana. She worked so hard for this, guys.
Ano car mo?
So pretty.
That's like
Mama Kay, you like it?
You like.
You like it? So nice, Mama Kay.
the camera that's in the windshield.
Say that again, Jamie. What camera?
Oh, that the windshield is basically a camera that scans
Uh-huh.
the road. So
Wow.
if she's drifting over the line,
Uh-huh.
it will give her a warning to let her know.
Oh, it's gonna give me a warning.
Jimmy, that's perfect because Diana's driving skills is, oh my goodness. She needed it. Jimmy, she needed. I would not even ride with a brand new car if she's the driver.
Oh my god.
Sorry, Jamie, that girl cannot drive, so perfect. Oh my gosh.
This is what I was hoping you'd do for me. I need you to go take it for a quick spin. Make sure everything's okay. Make sure you like the wave handle. And when you come back, just time to take off and begin to go.
Jimmy, are you sure you want her to drive that right now? You know she was sleeping on the way here. She's
That
like
means
half
she's
awake.
all set. Plus, you're going to go with her.
No, I'm not. She can take Mama Kay with her.
She doesn't
I
need
don't
it.
trust the girl. I get scared. Just kidding, guys. She's a good driver.
Wow.
Asian driver.
Man,
Wow. She's gonna ride. Okay, Mama Kay, go inside, Mama Kay. Mama Kay. Jimmy, you gotta open the door for Mama Kay. Thank you, Jimmy. Go, Mama Kay, over there.
Where do I go?
Mama Kay, where are you going? It's right here. Doon sa gilid, Mama Kay.
Tita, let's go.
Hold on. My gosh, you're so excited. Oh my gosh, you're so excited. So, you look so nice. guys, you don't, oh my gosh, love, your car is beautiful. Like me. Good, Jimmy. So this is the breakdown,
Oh,
guys.
you telling me?
Hi there. Okay.
So we got her approved. We got her approved with a special rate of 1.9, which is the best you can possibly get on this kind of rate.
1.9. Wow.
Correct. And her payment with only $1,500 is under $400. All she gotta do is decide which term works best for her. and
Okay.
She get to go home with a brand new car.
Oh my god.
Merci.
How about my,
Merci.
Kimi, how about my free car? When do I get to go home?
You need to bring me 10 more customers.
Oh, deal.
Really?
I will.
So if you bring me 10 more customers, you'll
Sounds good. And you're in recorded, man, so you cannot lie. Yes, I will. So I got one, like he's counted, right? No, actually two. I already get you two.
I didn't count. Because we're gonna make a deal then. And we're
Okay,
making a deal now.
so this is one, so
you're
9
gonna
more.
start over. Not me. I'm not included.
Yeah, you are. Mama K. Mama K, you're number 2. When you're gonna buy, so I only need 8 more. So anyway, guys, that's it. Diana got it.
One eternity later.
So Diana, we're gonna go home straight without paying this car, Diana. So yun guys, test drive kami. Na meron kaming passenger guys, si Mama K. Oh my gosh, sobrang fun to guys. Ang ganda ng car ni Diana. So, alright, let's go. Let's hit the gas. Ay, so excited. So nice. Ganda Maki. Super beautiful. Gaya ng driver namin. Aww. She's so fancy. Look at that. I'm gonna take a video, okay? The magic pen. Thanks, Jessica. She's the boss, her guys. Thank you for making it happen.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Oh my god.
So I'm gonna have you guys spell with this. Make sure that everything's correct for me.
Gosh, she got the car. Oh my gosh, what a good day today. So ayun guys, oh, yung behind her. Yun yung brand new car niya. Congrats. Congrats natin si Diana, guys. She's super happy. So that's the end of our vlog for today. Kung kailangan nyo bumili ng car, just contact us. naging salesman. Alright